لا؟
My name is Liban Farah, and I am a focal point SomReP's program and the Ministry of Environment and Agriculture, Ministry of Environment, Range and Climate Change. And as a focal point, I offer my expertise in environmental and natural resource management to the Ministry of Climate Change and Range. Through the SomReP's program, the Ministry was able to engage communities and raise awareness on environmental degradation and pastoral managed natural regenerations or FMNR status. Established communities are trained for FMNR activities like tree pruning and tree plantations and the pruning of the trees. Through SomReP, the ministry was able to develop natural resource management curriculum, established and trained by the communities who are linked. After training the communities, we linked them to the ministry, and now they are functioning. Through SomReP, through SIDA generosity, funded the Puntland Environmental Climate Change Conference, which happened in 12th and 13th November and concluded yesterday, and it has a lot of action points and outcomes. The main objectives or the purpose of this conference was to raise awareness on environmental the environment on top level government agencies like police, law enforcement agencies, other land ministries. The other objective was implementation of this policy and regulations. The ministry developed policy and regulations, but they are not yet to implement. So we engaged all the relevant land institutions for the implementation of this policy. So the objective was this to be in line or to be on board. So we presented and shared with the policies, and now they are about to implement. The other purpose of this conference was to showcase the community's results for the environmental sensitive implemented by the ministry and its partner, to show them or communities to be aware what their government and partners are doing. So these are the main objectives of this, and that's simply I can say the main objectives of this